Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again with another live trade. It's Friday, April the 13th. Hopefully it's going to be a good lucky day for me. Anyhow, this time I bought the pound CAD. Down at the bottom you can see here 6 lots. I had some triggers over here and here, slight pullback. I didn't catch it, I didn't see it at this time. And then more triggers over here. I didn't see it, but as it started to go up, I got in. And I cannot use the meter in this situation. They're both very neutral. Over here, the pound was in the middle area. Actually, both the pound and the CAD are both neutral area. I just saw that these two lines crossed right here, starting to break the top here. It's doing a slight pullback, not a big deal. My stop is 20 pips and my target is 20 pips. It should continue to go up as these two lines have crossed, and this line is blue, and we got lots of blue down here at the bottom. And the MACD is blue, this line is blue, the AO is above the water line. Everything is showing for going up. So I'm pretty sure it's a game of probabilities. There's a high probability that this will continue to go up. The ADR is 151 pips. Today only went 92, so it did not hit the ADR. And I don't know if it'll hit it today. It's kind of going sideways. But I'm not looking for a lot of pips. And it looks like it's on its way up. So it's just a waiting game. So we must wait and see. And I will report back shortly. Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back. I'm going to show another way how you can manage your trades. What I'm going to do is close out half my lots right now. So if I did 6, I'm going to close out 3. You just change a 6 to a 3 and you press close. That closes out 3, and I got 3 running. Then I'm going to move my take profit. I'll just see if I can get a little bit more. Just press OK here. So now we're up there at the moment. And I can put my stop. This is my stop loss. I'll put it to plus, say, 1 pip. So I'm managing the trade. Now this is good when you're going to go away from the computer for a while. So I've already locked in more than 10 pips. I'll run a check on it when I'm done and finish closing the last 3 lots. I'll do a recap on it. I'm trying to break above here and go a little bit higher, and can move my stop up as it goes up. So I cannot lose. If it turns around and kicks me out, it'll be with a small profit on the other 3 lots. Now when you're buying at the bottom and selling at the top, this is my pip trigger number 1. This one that you're looking at is number 1. Number 2 has the bands. I'll apply it and show you. That line that was there, that's at 7 o'clock. I get up at 6, and from 7 o'clock to 9 I'm trying to get in the trade. So between here and here approximately, trying to make a decision whether it's going to go down. When I saw that it's not going to go down anymore, right here, it's not going down anymore. This is for very aggressive people, and sometimes I am, and if I would have seen it, I would have taken the trade rate in this area, but I didn't see it. That's the problem when you're looking at many different pairs. You just don't catch it in time. So this was a trigger to buy. So when you're in a buy zone below the goal line, so when it comes down, bounces around a bit, the arrow does not move over anymore. So you're getting your trigger here and here. Ideally would have been okay to get in here, but again, I didn't even see this in time. So this was another trigger right here. Lots of blue. Matter of fact, everything is blue down at the bottom, according to the pip trigger rules. So I did get in. Should have just waited for this tiny little pullback, but let's see how many pips that was. It's 10 pips. That's the way it goes. Sometimes you catch it, sometimes you don't. When it lights up green, like it just did for half a second there, it means you're within 10 pips of the target. And of course, if it hits the target, that'll be great. And if I don't, I may close it out as I start to see reversal patterns. And to there is about 34 pips, so I got more than 10 on the first one, and if I can get over 30 on the second, right now I'm up probably around $800 or $900, probably around $850, something like that. Again, I'll run a check on that shortly. So it's still working its way up. This is the pip trigger number 2. It has the bands. So I'm expecting once it gets into this area, it will stall out, and it'll be between 10 and, it'll be around 10 o'clock. So anything can happen after 10 or 11, with the London close and whatnot. So anyhow, I will report back shortly when the trade is finished. Forex Nelson, and I'm back again. I decided to close the trade before it would hit my stop at 1 or 2 pips. I saw the reversal, lots of red down here, so I decided to close the trade. 3 lots for $309, and the other 3 lots closed out at $212. Ended up with $500 and around $21, $521. Now it could hook around and continue up, or it just could keep going down. I don't know which way it'll go, but I just didn't want to give all the profits back. So it's okay to close the trade and don't be too greedy. If you're too greedy, you'll end up losing, and it's better to close with a profit. So anyhow, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in the pip trigger, please get in contact with me. My contact information is right below this video. Either call, Skype, or email me. If you Skype, I can do screen sharing with you and give you a lot more tips and tricks which will help your trading. So until the next video, I want to wish you good luck in trading, and take care.